How to fix Instagram black background in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do, guys, to fix this problem is open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and then click on the Instagram app, click on this force stop option, and then go to the notifications management, scroll down, click on this more settings option. It will take you directly to the Instagram app. Or what you want to do here is click on this pause all option and choose 15 minutes. And now go back into the settings of Instagram and click on the storage right here, click on clear data, and then click on delete. After that, you have to click on this open by default option and click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. That's it, guys. Just open now Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the very end.